Hello! Today we're going to learn how to resize your layout in one click. There are two resizing tools. The first tool will enable you to resize the whole project. It is under the Layout step. In the submenu, select Transformations. You can then choose to resize or reduce your project vertically or horizontally. For our example, we will enlarge this area. Select the Enlarge tool and enter how much you would like to enlarge. Position the cut line where you want the walls to appear. With one click, the cut line is positioned and the second click will resize it. Notice that all floors and the roof has been resized at the same time. The second tool will allow you to modify a single wall or a single room. For our example, our understairs is not big enough to fit the staircase. We will resize that room by clicking on the dimension to change and type the desired dimension. Lastly, select the wall to push back in order to accommodate the new dimensions. We will select the top wall in this case. That's it. Now is your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided. Our team is always available to help.